Have you ever counted on a friend to help you? Today's word is about trust and depending on others. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is rely. Can you say it with me? Rely. Let's spell it together. R-E-L-Y. That spells rely. Rely means to depend on someone or something for support. Here are some words that mean the same as rely. Say them with me. Trust, like believing your best friend will keep a secret. Depend, like counting on your alarm clock to wake you up. Count, like knowing your team will try their best in the game. Lean, like leaning on a friend for help when you need it. Confide, like sharing your thoughts with someone you believe in. Each one shows how rely means putting confidence in someone or something. Now let's look at the opposites of rely. Doubt, like not being sure your answer is correct. Mistrust, like feeling a person may not tell the truth. Suspect, like thinking something isn't quite right. Disbelieve, like refusing to accept a story as true. Have no faith, like thinking no one will come through for you. That's the opposite of relying. Here's a great example. Sofia relied on her team to finish the group project. Quick review. Rely means to depend on someone or something for support. Synonyms: trust, depend, count, lean, confide. Antonyms: doubt, mistrust, suspect, disbelieve, have no faith. Relying on each other builds trust and makes friendships strong. Your challenge: show you can be relied on by keeping a promise or helping with a task today. Fantastic! You showed that people can rely on you when it really matters. Keep building trust, explorers. See you tomorrow for Word Up with Sofia.